Mr. Hernandez had a case in felony court, which was disposed of yesterday. So he's now being held only on
Our case.
Yes, yes, only on this. So I would ask the court to revisit his bond and to set it at a PR bond. And I would ask the court to consider that he does have his mother does live in the Houston area, and he
Are you going to
understands.
ask for both on both cases?
Uh,
A PR one or on just this one?
just on this one.
You mind bringing out Adrian Hernandez, please? Please. Who's your other case? I want to admonish him, but
Marco Hernandez. Yes, and on that, I'll just ask the court to keep the bond as it is.
he picked up a felony. Ah!
Whoa, judge isn't buying it. This defendant is stacking up new charges like they're collectible cards. Gun case, aggravated robberies, and organized crime? Let me know in the comments. Would you trust this guy on a PR bond?
You're killing me, man. So we have him on a gun case. He has picked up evading arrest in a motor vehicle, 2 aggravated robberies, and he's now at no bond and engaging in organized crime with using or exhibiting a deadly weapon.
Well, yes, Judge, and on that case, I would just ask the court to consider that although the felonies they're very serious allegations, they are just allegations.
I understand.
There are no convictions.
I get it.
He's on a $30,000 bond for the evading, which is out of the same transaction. So he's already on a bond for this transaction.
So it looks like, sorry, so he picked up our gun case, looks like with the evading arrest in motor vehicle. They filed the aggravated robbery on the 15th and then the 17th. Alex, do the ag robs happen on the same day as the evading arrest in a motor vehicle? Regardless, a month later, he must have been out because he picks up an engaging case in December.
All right, it looks like they took place before the evading cases.
What about the engaging? Does that happen before or after?
That looks like it happened.
Say it again?
Just want to double check. It looks like it happens before as well. Before our gun case in the evading. Because it happened on
I think you're correct, Mr. Klossberg, because it looks like I'm looking at the engaging or an organized crime. Well, it says October 31st and continuing through or on or about November 7th, which regardless, that's still before, right?
Yes, Judge.
The ag robs.
It looks like it goes after the ag robs, but before our gun case.
The ag rob was on November 5th, one of them.
Judge, this is Adrian Hernandez?
Marco Hernandez.
We're talking about Marco Hernandez. That's Adrian Hernandez.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna shred this.
You are correct. I will do nothing to those bonds because it looks like the engaging, both ag robs happen before our case. I'll leave it as is. And then they're set for March 25th. That's a little bit too long for us. We usually set it for like 30 days. If nothing has happened upstairs, then we'll give you another 30 days after that. Okay? Good morning, Mr. Hernandez. How's jail? I feel your pain. It's not supposed to be fun, right? But it's there for a reason. Your lawyer is asking me to give you a PR bond. It looks like, from what I see, your possession case got you were here on the discharging, right? Is that what was upstairs that got disposed of?
Yes, Your Honor. The felony upstairs was the discharge case, and it was reduced to misdemeanor.
What happened with that? Did he plead to it? Because I'm not showing in the
Yes,
system yet what happened.
He pled to it yesterday, Your Honor.
What did he plead to?
He pled to 100 days in Harris County Jail.
Say how many days credits?
It does not. I can see, Your Honor.
Is he eligible for release? It's the felony case is 185 9309.
There's a time served, 100 for 100 days for 100 days for 84 days.
And he pled on a phone? So he's a felony conviction now?
Here's the key legal twist. A PR bond means he walks out without paying money, but if he slips even once, jail doors slam right back shut. High-risk gamble. Is the judge making the right call here?
Do you want me to give you a PR bond? I want my community safe. You know, I don't want you to do anything that you're not supposed to do. I don't want you to pick up any new cases, and I don't want you to have any weapons. You understand where you're going to be living now? You really have a place to stay with her? How old are you? So what are you going to do with your life now? I want to give you the opportunity, but the problem is, Mr. Hernandez, is that when people have too much time on their hands, they become self-destructive. They start doing things that they shouldn't do. They start hanging out with people who are not good for them, so to speak. You know what I mean? So you need something to do. Either get back into school or get a full-time job. If you want me to give you a PR bond, I will. But the condition is no weapons, and you either must get a full-time job or get back into school full-time. None of this doing nothing for the rest of your natural born life. You become nothing and in and out of jail. That's not the way that we do things. Do you understand? So what I'm going to do is I will give you a PR bond, but I'm going to bring you back in 2 to 3 weeks. I want to see what you have done.
This is the judge giving him a real-world ultimatum, school or full-time job. No more doing nothing. Question for you, should courts push defendants towards success, or is that too soft on crime?
To either get a full-time job or get back into school. I have resources here to give you if you need it. If you want help getting a job, we can do that for you. But if I let you out and you're just running amok and doing nothing, it's not going to go well. I don't want you consuming alcohol or illegal drugs as well. Do you understand? Okay, I'm going to grant you a PR bond. I want it back in 3 weeks. I want you to show me what you have done. Start putting in applications like crazy to get a job. Do you understand? Okay. Mr. Hernandez, you hold the keys to the jail cell. No one else does. All right?
Thank you.
Good luck, my friend.